Stainless steel rings that open jump rings. Today I want to show you one of the simplest tools I found, and it's just a ring and all it does is open jump rings. So I'm just preparing my pins and I'm going to show you how I use this simple stainless steel ring to open my jump rings. If you are a creator and you work in isolation, there are some things you would not know. So continue watching this video, subscribe, like and share. I don't make lots of jewelry, but the few I make sure I use quality tools and materials like this colorful African fabric to make my jewelry. Now just be careful when you are using some of these tools. Some of them are sharp, and I show you how I open my jump rings. Very easy. The stainless steel ring is not that expensive, and see how easy it opens my jump ring. So now I can put the open jump ring into this geometric shape, which I'm going to make my beautiful jewelry out of. As an ethicalpreneur who makes low fashion, you can use simple tools just like this one. So if you enjoy watching this video, why don't you like and share? Hey, and am I going to find you in the next market? I love creating jewelry, so stand by for more colorful jewelry episodes. Thank you for watching. Always check in the description box to find where you can also buy these simple tools. And find me on Etsy as Akos Creative. Happy shopping, guys. Bye.